This is how to resize your new titanium band from Ultra Supply. Opening the box, you'll find a set of printed instructions, along with the band and a resize tool. Turn the bracelet over and you'll notice the links with an arrow. These links are removable, and the arrow points in the direction to push the pin out. It's important to note that only the links with the arrows are removable. The links that do not have arrows will not remove. Take the resize tool and spin the knob counterclockwise to create more room inside the tool. Line up the tool with the hole for the pin and start spinning the knob clockwise to go through and push the pin out from the band. The pin should come out by hand after it's been pushed out with the tool. There's also a half-sized link on each side of the band that's located right before the buckle. This can help you achieve a more optimal fit. For reassembly, you'll need to put the pin back in the way it came out. Look closely, as one side of the pin is curved at the top and rounded at the bottom. You need to insert the bottom end into the link. The pin should slide in, and the top of it will stick out slightly. You can use the top of the tool to push the pin fully into the links. To install the band, slowly press the adapter in until you feel it click. If the adapter doesn't go in right away, you can wiggle it slightly at different angles and apply pressure until it snaps in. You may need to adjust more links to get the perfect size. If you have any issues, feel free to drop us a line.